Hi folks, it's Marty with Remax Real Estate. Today I want to talk about something every seller struggles with. What should you upgrade before selling? And just as important, what should you not spend money on? Because preparing your home correctly can increase your return. Over-renovating can reduce it. When preparing a home for sale, we are not designing your forever home. We are preparing a product for market. The goal is simple. Increase perceived value, reduce buyer objections, maximize net proceeds. That means focusing on upgrades that create emotional impact, without overspending. There are improvements that consistently generate strong returns. Fresh neutral paint, modern light fixtures, updated cabinet hardware, minor landscaping, deep professional cleaning, decluttering and depersonalizing. These improvements are inexpensive, but dramatically affect first impressions. First impressions influence offer strength. Large renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, flooring throughout can be risky. Why? Because buyers often have different tastes. You might spend $40,000 upgrading a kitchen, but the market may only recognize $20,000 of added value. Or worse, a buyer may prefer a different style entirely. Unless a renovation is addressing serious functional issues, major upgrades should be evaluated carefully. If there are known issues, roof age, furnace condition, minor repairs, we evaluate. Is it better to fix it? Or disclose and price accordingly? Sometimes repairing removes negotiation friction. Sometimes pricing strategically protects you more effectively. Every home is different. The key is making that decision intentionally, not emotionally. Staging is not decoration. It is psychology. Buyers don't buy square footage. They buy how a space feels. Proper staging improves flow, defines a space clearly, makes rooms appear larger, increases perceived value. Even small adjustments, furniture placement, lighting, minimizing clutter, can change buyer perception dramatically. Today, most buyers see your home online before they ever step inside. That means lighting matters. Angles matter, cleanliness matters, exterior curb, appeal matters. If your home does not perform well online, it never gets the showing. Preparation directly impacts digital engagement. Before listing, we walk through your home together and create a prioritized plan. What to fix, what to improve, what to leave alone, what not to spend money on. That plan is built around your timeline, your budget, current market absorption, competing listings. It's strategic, not generic. Preparing your home correctly is not about spending the most money. It's about spending the right money. Small strategic improvements often outperform large emotional renovations. And the right preparation, combined with correct pricing and exposure, creates leverage. If you're considering selling and want a clear, practical preparation plan, I'd be happy to walk through your home and outline one with you.